Hey guys and gals, it's read along time. The power of print. Manny Malone sat on the steps of the town library, fidgeting. Relax, said his friend Paul. It's not 10 yet. It was a brilliant Saturday, perfect for this morning's showdown between Drakett's town officials and its citizens. Manny wished he could just sit back and savor each autumn detail. The falling leaves, the crisp, clean air. Relaxing, however, was not on today's schedule. No one's showing up, Manny moaned. We look like such dummies. Don't berate yourself, said Paul. Your plan is total genius. Phenomenal. Admit it. You've got a flair for creative ideas. Paul had helped Manny hatch the plan only yesterday. With the entire 6th grade researching ancient Egypt, everything was checked out of the school library. To supplement their online sources, the friends had visited the town library. This place needs an upgrade, Manny whispered as they piled books on an old wooden table. Not going to happen, said Paul, pointing to a flyer on the wall. The town library will be closing for good on Friday, November 17th. That's in 2 weeks. Is this true? The boys asked the librarian, who confirmed that, due to town budget cuts, Dracut was indeed losing its library. It's a good thing there's so much stuff on the web, said Paul. We can live without a library. You've been brainwashed. Here, look. Manny flipped through a large book on mummies. Out of print, it was held on reserve and cannot be checked out. You can't get stuff like this online. Paul lingered over a close-up photo of a mummy. Ew, he said, peering in. That's gross. Focus, Paul, Manny said. You know, I don't think many people know about this. I've got an idea about how to get them involved. What's the plan? Asked Paul. Think about something basic that the internet is really good for, said Manny. Something fundamental. Communication, Paul exclaimed. After compiling a list of email addresses, the boys typed in a brief message. Flash, it read. Be there 10 a.m. tomorrow in front of the library. Bring a sign from the list below. Be ready to smile for the cameras. Now, as the boys sat on the library steps, people suddenly began appearing from every direction. Last to arrive were news crews. Someone had organized a picket line. 1, 2, 3, 4, don't you shut our library door, they chanted. Manny strutted over to join them. You shouldn't gloat, whispered Paul. All we did was publicize the issue. Knowledge is power, Manny said. Now that people know, I bet they'll find a way to keep the library open. And the budget cuts? Asked Paul. Ancient history, said Manny.